Hi, I'm Antonio Gobbo, class of 2003. Excited to be here today to give you a demonstration how to make some great cocktails. These are what we call aperitivi in Italian. These are before dinner drinks. And these are great for opening up your palate, have a cocktail after work, wind down with your friends before dinner. The first drink we're gonna make is the classic Venetian Spritz. So this drink is from Venice, and we're gonna use Aperol, Prosecco, soda water, orange, and an olive. Just get a white wine goblet and fill that with ice. So for this cocktail, we're just gonna do a very simple orange wedge, and that's gonna be part of the garnish along with our olive. So just slice it down the middle and go ahead and make a little cut about halfway through. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and pour our Aperol. So this is a bitter liqueur from Italy. You might have heard of Campari. Aperol is very similar, it's just a little less bitter. Great drink if you're just introducing yourself to these kind of aperitivos, which are all based with a bitter liqueur or vermouth. Now we're going to put about 2 ounces of Prosecco. And Prosecco is another ingredient from Venice area of Italy, the Veneto region. And Prosecco is really popular in the US. It's actually started beating champagne in terms of sales. And the last ingredient is we're going to put in some club soda. So about 2 ounces of that. So once you add all your ingredients, this cocktail, you just give it a very simple stir with a bar spoon or any kind of spoon you have at home to just mix those ingredients together a bit. And now for the garnish. Almost all of these bitter aperitivos have orange in them, orange slice, orange wedge. But the Aperol Spritz also has a queen stuffed green olive. And that olive brine actually really adds to the flavor of the drink. So I garnish it on the side, and then you can squeeze in the orange and then of course eat your olive. I'm just going to finish that with a straw. So this is your classic Aperol Spritz from Venice. This is one of our signature cocktails here at Antonio's. This one's called the Valeria, which is actually my mom's name in Italian. So our family is from the Venice area of Italy, and this is kind of a family recipe that we brought over. And this one is also really easy to make. This cocktail we're actually going to be putting in a champagne flute. So this cocktail, you want to go ahead and get a mixing glass and fill with ice. And the first ingredient we're going to put in is vodka. There's so many vodkas out there that you can use. Here at our restaurant, we really like the Van Gogh vodka. And we're going to go ahead and start this cocktail by putting 1 ounce of vodka in it. You can also use the flavored vodka. A citrus vodka would also go really well in this cocktail. Our next ingredient is an ingredient from Italy. This is limoncello. We're going to put about a ½ ounce of that in. And the limoncello is made with the rinds of a lemon, and that gives it some great flavor. The next ingredient we're going to put in this cocktail is lemon sorbetto. So this is one of those ingredients that we actually have on hand at Antonio's. We make our own gelato and sorbetto in-house. So you're going to want to put about a tablespoon of that in. And we're going to go ahead and shake these ingredients. Get a good hold on it and shake it vigorously. You want those ingredients really mixed up. So grab your cocktail strainer and go ahead and pour this in the champagne flute. As you can see, we're about 3/4 of the way full. We have one final ingredient we're going to add to this cocktail, which is Prosecco. So you want to go ahead and top the drink off with the Prosecco. I would recommend just tilting it a bit. It will get a little foamy on you, but that's okay. So go ahead and fill that almost to the top. And the last step is we're going to garnish this cocktail. This is really simple. Just a little lemon wedge. And then just make a little slit so you can set it right on the side of your glass. And that's the Valeria sparkling cocktail, one of our signature drinks from Antonio's. Thanks again for joining us for virtual homecoming. Stop by the restaurant, Antonio's Bar and Trattoria. We're open for takeout, delivery, and dine-in. Hope to see you soon. Go Bearcats!